today we're going to talk about how we can create sales for our product listing on Amazon. So specifically, we'll be creating around 25% off for this product listing. There are actually two ways to do that. So one would be a simpler way, or inside Seller Central, go to inventory, then manage all inventory, and then there will be your product listings. So if you will click this arrow, and then you find the product listing on which you want to offer the sales price. So let's say we want to offer 30% off on this product. Click this edit button on the right side. The admin side of the product listing will open. Click here, and you will be go down to this page. Now, so to apply the sales price, we need to have three attributes, which are must. We have to, the three attributes are mandatory. One would be the sales price. Second is the sales start date, from which date the sale will start, and what is the sale end date. So let's say, what is the sale price? We want to offer 30% off on 24.95. This is the new sales price we want to offer. Let's round it to 45. Looks more clean. This is the 30% off, and then what we want to do is give them the sales start date. So if you want to give them the sales start date, we will just put any date from here. Let's say the date cannot be old. So if you cannot put maybe 13 or 4, 11 or 12, you need to put some date after that. So we can put it, it's 14th of January 2024 over here. So you can just put 14. And let's say I want to offer this for 31st of January, like at the end of this month, 31st of January. The errors will go away. So all of the errors are gone. So you can just now, what you have to do is you can just click save and finish, and it will automatically save. And after a few hours, you will see the product sales price. Hopefully you will get a strike-through price if you have already added the list. Unfortunate, but you will see the deducted price over here. And this is the first way of doing that. Let me show you another way to do that. So just move to your Seller Central page. So the second way is to, let's say you have for this product, I have 9 variations. In some categories of some products, we have around 30 plus variations. Let's say if you have, you're selling some kind of t-shirt, if you have 5 sizes and 4 colors, there will be around 20 variations in total. So if you will do like that, for if you go to add it, and then if you want to add the sales pricing on all of the products, it is a really big headache. So there is an easier way, but it is a bit technical. You will have to get the backup of the account. So to get the backup of the account, we just need to go inventory and then reports. And then there are inventory reports. Now, what you will have to do is download category listing report. Category listing report. Click here. Don't touch anything over here. Just request a report. For some people, you might not see this option. So you might not see this category listing report option. So what you will have to do is just go to help, open a case with Amazon, and ask them, I need access to category listing report. They will give you the access to the report quite immediately within a few hours. Then will give you the report, and then you can see over here, category listing report. So basically what category listing report does is it will give you the backup of all of your accounts. So what you will have to do is download this report and open the report. Now we want to add a sales price from here. So this is a bit advanced. If you don't know how to do it, I would suggest maybe seek professional help, because I will try to explain it to the best of my ability. But if you don't understand, if you don't understand the thing about it, do not take action on it, because it may cause some problems if you do it. So so you just need to keep product type, seller SKU. You can keep brand name as well, and update, delete columns and product ID. and product ID type. Apart from these, you need to delete all of the things that are there. So just okay, you can delete the product title. We don't need that. Product description, we don't need that. Product ID, we need that. We can remove the manufacturers as well. UPC, you get. Apart from that, you can just delete all of the things next. So you can also need to leave the pricing, your pricing. So click the quantity, all of the things that are next to it, you need to remove. Category history report has all of the product information that you put in when you create the product listing. Click all of the things, and now we don't have anything except the few columns which are identifications of the products that we have inside Amazon. The basic structure is we need to do two things. One, we need to introduce the new sales price. Just find, go to type sales. Again, yeah, you can see these are the sales price column, sales start date and end date. You can just maybe highlight them so it will be easier to. And now we need to offer the sales price 17.45. Now you can drag it down to all of the products except the parent SN. You don't want to put anything in the parent SN. Instead, you can just delete the parent SN. If you don't know parent SN is just the container of a product in which all of the variations are held together. This is the parent SN. You will see. So when I created the product listing, I always add a suffix to the SKU that says parent. So it is easier to identify which is a parent and which is a child SN, which is a child SKU. So you don't need to put anything because it is not a physical product. So it cannot have a price or some other details. So we just need to remove the parent, and you can delete it. And here is it. And you don't have. Okay, we can move toward the sales price. And now, what is the format of the sales start date? So if you will go, the definitions, then you can just find it, copy the sales start date, and data definition, you will find it, where is it? Yeah, so you see, the sales start date is, the syntax form is year, month, and date. So let me zoom in for you. So the format for the sales start date is, firstly, you will have year, then month, and then date. So we will have to follow it strictly so that we don't have any errors and it will be successful. Now you will see sales start date. Okay, so we want to, what is the date today? It is, what we want to put is the year, month, and date. Yeah. Year, month, and date. So firstly, we need to put what is the year 2024. Month is 01 and date is 14. You will see it will automatically change it to the default Excel format. So what you'll have to do, we don't have to do anything here yet. So we'll just need to apply it down. You will see it has changed all of the dates, extensions. So you just need to click copy cells. We just want to put all of things here. And then you just copy. So you just need to copy one here. And now you have to tell them what is the sale end date. We just need 31st of January. Okay, we put it here. Then scroll it down. Just select copy cells. Now what we will have to do, we will have to change the format. You will see here the date. It is more number formats. And now you will have a year, month, and date. You see, click it here. All of the formats will change to year, month, and date. So now, the first thing is set up. So we have put the sales price in, put the whatever we wanted to put in. And now double check everything, 2024, 114 to 2024 131, or let me change the end date to maybe 14, or I want it until let's say 21st of January. So this is, I will upload this and you will see the sales price will fluctuate after a few hours. I will change that. Also, I will change the price to something I want to offer 2.95. Put it here. And okay, also this is the real price that we will be changing. Okay, so I will be uploading this file and will be showing you after the results what you will get. Okay, so the sales price you need to see is it will run from 14th of January to 20th of January after 20th January of 2024. So you need to move toward so after that you will need to make sure that the update or delete, in the update or delete section, there is always partial update when you are updating the sales price of the product. Okay, so you need to make sure it is always partial update. So what partial update does is it will update whatever information you put into the selected cell. So let's say if you want to just update the product name, so if I put it hello in here, so for this SKU it will update hello and leave all the empty cells as is in the seller center. So he won't change anything apart from the cell, apart from the product listing in which I have put some kind of information. If I try to change something in here, I just need to put that information here. So just keep in mind that you need to always have partial update in it. And if you want to update maybe manufacturer name, maybe item type keyword, maybe model name, or maybe product price, you just need to put the specific price in there, and you can do that. And it's not just about sales price. If you want to put anything, like if you want to update your price of all the products, so if you want to add your price, you can maybe add like $40 or maybe whatever your desired standard price is, you can put it here and it will automatically update. Check the sales price, sales start date, end date. And it seems fine to me. Sale price is fine, 22.95. In 3, okay, understood. And yes, so what you will do is save it by pressing Command S in the computer or in Windows, and Command S on, or maybe go to File and Save, and then close it and rename the file according to something that you can easily remember. So go to the Finder, Downloads, okay, cutting in listing report with enter, and then change to vendors. Awesome. January 14 to okay. Done. And then go here. Now go to add product by upload. And then, so if you will, now I have bookmarked it. So if you want to find it, you will just have to go here. So catalog, and now you will have to go to add product via upload. So I have just saved it. So that's why it was showing on top. So add product via upload, click on that. Now you will have a lot of options here. Spreadsheet upload status, spread download, spreadsheet download history, download spreadsheet. So you will just have to go to upload your spreadsheet and go to browse files. Click the files that you, with the exact file, is the same file, and get sales price update January 40 to January 20. And now this is the new feature, right? So it shows you whatever Excel file you have put in, and it will also show you the errors if it had any. Focus on errors. No, there are no errors. We will submit the products. Successfully completed. Of the records are successful. Now 9 out of 9 records are successful. So now we will see that the record, it is upload this successfully, but the price is still not changed. So you need to give it some time, maybe 1 or 2 hours, depending upon how old the listing is. Sometimes it takes a longer time, but possibly it will be sooner than expected. Now, when I go to the product listing, you can definitely see the sales price is applied, which we applied yesterday, which is 22.95. And you can see the list price is down here. You can see that it's a strike-through price, and Amazon is showing the price, the main price that we wanted to offer through the sales period is showing above, and then there's also the sales percentage. You can go to all the variations, it's all clear. It's applied on all of the variations. Or if you are having some troubles doing it yourself, you can ask us to help you. Go to iFix Amazon, amazon.com, and this is the website. So you can just fill out the contact form over here. Just if you are having troubles with that, or if you need any kind of help, you can just contact us, leave an option, get a free audit. You can just ask us to audit your Amazon store, and we will help you see any opportunities or any major problems that are holding you